Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, we are at Giggle Ridge mini golf at Cultus Lake Amusement Park. We have been having an intense game of mini golf here, and Ma is winning by 2 holes, and we are on hole 17. That means I have to win this hole to have a chance to even tie. So let's take a look at this hole. You gotta go up here and around here, around the roller coaster, and down into that hole down there. All right, let's set ourselves up right here to see everything. Let's see if we can do this. Will you stay right there? I don't know if you're gonna stay there. How about here? All right, let's go. You have my walk. Ladies and gentlemen, it's getting intense. Can I get a hole in one? Let's see what happens. Whoa, not in here. Not in the pit of despair. Oh no, the pit of despair. Oh no. Well, looking right into the pit of despair. And out of the pit of despair. Oh no. No, that's not good. Okay. I have to make this hole. I've got to make this shot. Ladies and gentlemen, this will be a 3 for me, but if she misses this, we tie it, but she still wins the thing. I'm very... Oh. She wins this hole. She's ahead by 3, and there's only 1 hole left. Okay, she's saying if I get a hole in one, we tie. You gotta stay tuned for that. That's a bet. I thought I saw a bird go by.